As you know, I got Threads of the Universe the other day. Well, I figured I would show you how the whole process of how I do the inventory. I like to make sure when I get the canvas that they're sticky, the symbols on the canvas are clear, and that the correct canvas is in the correct box, and that the drills are correct while Diamond Art Club still has supplies. Now, I did get this canvas from a D stash. So what I'm doing is I'm going through the inventory to make sure I have all the drills. If I do not, I do have some stash in my backup drills. So I'm going, if there's any missing, I'm going to take them and put them in baggies and include them in the inventory with the, I'm going to put them in the gallon baggie with the drills. So let me show you. Okay, here we go. All right, I am Nancy, Pampered with Diamonds, and we are going to check the inventory on Threads of the Universe. I'm excited because there's 2 sticker sheets. So I have one picture for my logbook and one for my kit up box, so that I know which kit these diamonds are for once it gets kitted up. So there are 83 colors plus enhancement drills. I have gone to DP Sparklers and taken a look at the enhancement instructions. Oh, love these colors. Look at these colors. They are gorgeous. Love the pinks and the blues. All right. We can look at the drills when I go through them. No particular order. So I just go through 124 and put a little line. See the little line? 334. Now obviously I don't know how many bags, but that's okay. 3755. 758. 825. 322. 3325. 826. 824. Z 775. That is the only fairy dust. That one right there. $209. 754. 3607. So that is the first strip. Okay. 809. 353. 966, 911, 605, and AB 128, the pink, 208, and AB 141, 798, 819, 951, 336, 3608, 352, 3806, 3778, 912, 122, the last of the ABs. It's like green. 3837. Let me show you these colors. Look at that pink. And that blue. Okay. Now we have 792, 158, 782, 3752, 783, 910, 210, 743. Oh, that one's so, I love that color, yellow. 562, 3024, 728, 744, 'Ooh, I like that yellow too. 3078. It's almost like a light gold. It's like a can't think of the flower. There's a flower with this yellow. 310. Oh, guys, look. That's all the 310 in this little bag. Oh, that's amazing. 603, 3781, 356, 762, 3818, 434. Love the yellows. Another shade of that blue. That strip is done. Now we have 794, 604, 3771, 3861. Yeah. Got it. 3072. 3756. 503. 718. 955. 913. 909. Greens. Pretty. This is almost like a, reminds me of snow color. I'm working on Christmas Joy, and there's a lot of this color in that one. Pink, and then your blue. Ah, love it. Who else has this canvas? Has anybody completed it? Any of my viewers completed it? All right, now we're getting to the very small amounts. 317, 318, 742, 3046, 898, 3830, 315, 712, 939, 780, 3860, 3803. That completes this sheet. 741, 3032, 355, 3328, 150, 167, 803, and 311. Now, oh, let's look at the colors. Just little bits of these colors. So they'll go in Tic Tac containers because it'll be kitted up in my Diamond Art Club container, and they will all fit. So now I will look on my sheets to make sure I have a dash next to every number. And there is. And there is also on this one. So I do save these for kits that don't have stickers for their color code chart. So this kit has been verified. So I will put it in a baggie, all the colors. And then we have our enhancement drills. And it tells you where to go to get the instructions on how to use them. So 3607, this one will go where the 3607 number will go. And I've got 793. Very pretty. 912, which is a fairy dust green. This one's a glitter 564. It's a mint green. They're so pretty. DP with sparklers, very pretty. Crystal AB 209. And I got this from Joni from Creation Moran. She had it in a D stash and I jumped on it. I'm so excited. Oh, these are round. Interesting. This one, it says 4 squares. I'll have to figure out how to do it. Interesting. I'm intrigued. 3778. 793. Crystal AB 209. Oh, this is the second pack. Okay. Crystal 503. Pixie Dust 3778. I think I showed you this one already. And interesting, there are half pearls, 5,200, and they are round. And this is a square canvas, so it'll be interesting where I put them. And then there is 972. These are rounds as well. So put in the comments if you know, if you've worked with these before on a square canvas. I have put rounds on a square canvas before. My 3 Ghosts by Make Market. The rounds were the glow in the dark, and it worked out pretty good. So I'm just wondering if this is kind of the same, if it's 1 for 1 or you put 2 for 1. Let me know your thoughts. So that is my inventory on Threads of the Universe. And I don't know when I'm going to work on it. I'm so excited though. Oh, I've got my kits, I think, planned through the end of March. Maybe I'll be able to start at the end of March and do this for April. Here's for hoping. But at least I have all the pieces. Okay. Thank you. Have a good rest of your day, and thank you for stopping by. Bye.